Hi, we're DataNovo. Anyone with knowledge about patents knows about the importance of prior art. Prior is evidence that shows that an idea should have never been granted a patent. Here's an example of a prior art. This document was published in Sweden in 2004. It discloses swiping a finger on your phone to answer a phone call. In 2009, Apple was granted a patent on this exact function. Apple then sued Samsung for patent infringement. Samsung then spent several millions of dollars and found the Swedish prior art. This prior art helped Samsung overturn Apple's billion-dollar judgment against the company. In patent law, prior art is a smoking gun. But finding prior art is extremely difficult because it's very hard to distinguish potential but not relevant prior art from those that are. At DataNovo, we have solved this problem. By leveraging machine learning, artificial intelligence, and big data, our system is able to identify the key invention in every patent and use that key to map, match, and unlock the best prior art in seconds. This also removes the human perception error that has led to overlooking good prior art because of the false perception as to what the patent invention actually is. The best part? It's very easy to use. Enter the patent number and see the best prior art in seconds. But we offer more than just prior art. We also offer AI and analytics for every patent, from analyzing products for potential infringement and discovering potential licensees, to identifying key patents for acquisition and verifying every patent attorney's winning and losing records. In 2015, in the US alone, there were 1,900 patents challenged, 6,000 lawsuits litigated, 130,000 patents purchased, and more than 600,000 patent applications filed. Each of these requires the submission of prior art. We charge $3,000 per patent search, which could potentially bring in several hundred millions to $1 billion in annual revenue. Our share of market size is $20 billion, and more than $120 billion for service available market, and $329 billion for total available markets. In all, we aim to be a one-stop shop for all things patents and generate revenue for every patent filed, granted, licensed, and litigated. The practice of creating and litigating patents hasn't changed since the drafting of the U.S. Constitution, but for the first time, we have an innovative way to earn revenue at every life cycle of a patent. Thank you.